Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna basically, I'm gonna show you how you can add any plugin to your WordPress website. So, it's actually very easy and very simple. On the left hand side, you're gonna see this plugins button right here. You're gonna left click on that, and it's gonna take us to this page right here. In the later part of the video, I'm gonna also show you how you can remove basically any plugin you've accidentally installed or if you don't need it. So, right next to plugins, on the top hand side, you're gonna see the add new plugin button. You're gonna left click on that, and it's gonna take us to this page right here. So, these are all the plugins the WordPress has to offer. If you scroll down to the middle, you're gonna see all the popular tags people are basically searching for. And if we click on, for example, I don't know, e-commerce, it's gonna show you all the plugins with the e-commerce tag, basically. So you also have here this thing, which is featured, for example. These are all the featured plugins. You have the popular plugins also. You can click on that. You have the recommended plugins, which are also very useful. And you have the favorites plugins, which are basically all the ones that you favorite, that you clicked to be your favorite plugin, and you can find it here basically. So if you don't have a plugin you want right here in the search button, for example, you can just upload your own plugin, and that's it. Basically, that's everything you need to know about finding plugins and how to install it. If you want any plugin, you just click on install now and it's gonna install automatically. So, but how do we remove the plugins? Then we're gonna go to plugins again, and here it's gonna show you every plugin you installed on your website. So let's say we want to install the Easy Google Fonts plugin. We're gonna click on deactivate, which is right below that. And after we click on deactivate, we can left click on delete, and we can left click on OK. So as you can see, Easy Google Fonts was successfully deleted. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and see you in the next one. Bye.